Hey guys, so my eyebrows are already done. Right now I'm just priming my face with the NYX Photo Loving Primer to give my skin the blurred effect once I apply my foundation. The foundation that I'm using is from MAC. It's the Prolong Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. I'm actually in the shade NW50, which is kind of right spot on my shade, even in the summer when I guess my skin tends to not really change in a way. I'm using a Real Technique buffing brush. Yeah, it's a Real Technique buffing brush. I actually got this in a set at Marshall's for like $7.99 when it's originally like $10.99 or however much at a drugstore or at Ulta. It's probably more expensive at Ulta. But I'm just buffing it out right now all over my face. I don't really care too much to buff into my hairline because once I comb my hair over, you probably won't see it, but I'll still buff it out just to kind of make everything blend. And don't forget to blend your neck. Like, oh my God, you don't want the contrast. I'm telling you. Now I'm about to highlight my face with the Sephora Bright Future primer. I'm sorry, not primer, concealer in the shade Pot de Creme. I guess it's the shade number 16. This is kind of like a neutral for me because it's kind of going to blend into my skin once I buff it out. So I use the Anastasia concealer in 6.0 to kind of brighten it up a little bit. But if you're my shade or a little darker than me, this is kind of like the best complexion, I would say. It wouldn't give you no highlight. No highlight. It wouldn't give you no flashback. I'm sorry. When highlighting, I usually just highlight under my eyes, my nose, above my lip, and my chin. I sometimes highlight my forehead, but since my forehead is already small, I usually don't. I just kind of use the concealer that's left on the beauty blender from my nose. And the actual beauty blender that I'm using is from Sephora. It's actually on sale right now for $5 if you probably want to get you some. I don't usually cream contour, but I did cream contour for this video. I actually use the Anastasia cream contour kit in the shade Rich Earth. What am I saying? Rich Earth. Now I'm going to just press the contour into the highlight. Just make sure everything kind of blends seamlessly. You don't want any harsh lines from your highlight, so that's kind of a big no-no. I'm taking my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in the shade Dark Tan. This stuff is like, oh my god, the best powder. I don't technically use setting powder because I have normal skin, and I feel like when I use setting powder, my skin, it just looks dry, and I don't like that. So this Mineralized Skin Finish powder that I set my under eyes with is kind of like everything. You can use it as a face powder also. I'm setting my contour with the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance in the shade Medium to Dark. And I'm using the contour shade to contour my cheeks and my forehead. I kind of just use the rest of the product that's left on the brush to contour my forehead because, again, it is already small. The mascara that I'm using is by Too Faced. It's called Better Than Sex. And this mascara gives my bottom lashes everything. Sometimes I wear the false lashes, but for the most part, for everyday look, I just wear my normal God-given lashes. And this mascara is everything. You can probably see when I look into the camera that on my right side and your left side, it looks like I have no lashes. But once I put the mascara on, they're like, boom. I'm applying some gel black eyeliner. It's by e.l.f. It's like $3, which is pretty awesome because I've had it for a while and I still have like half a jar left. I'm applying it with this MAC eyeliner brush that I got in a gift set. I'm not exactly sure the number, but this was like the Christmas gift set that came out in 2016. So I'm sure they probably don't have it anymore. But it's pretty dark, and it won't run. Like if you was to, cry, your eyes won't look like raccoons. To finish off my cheeks, I'm using the MAC blush in the shade Raizin. Oh, it's so freaking pretty. Oh my god. It doesn't make me, it doesn't make my cheeks look rosy, but it still gives off that subtle pink type of vibe, which I like. And for my highlight, I'm using the MAC Gold Deposit highlight, and it's just Metro Boomin'. I know y'all see it. applying the NYX Mega Lip Gloss in the shade Sugar Pie, followed by the NYX Mattifying Setting Spray, which leaves me not too matte, but not too dewy either. It's like the perfect in-between combination.